Monday morning, May 25th, Memorial Day here in the USA. Abbreviated trading today. I think the market's going to be open till 1:30, then shut down for the afternoon. Anyhow, here's Astro Excel for the week. You see the balance of last week from the 21st, and then moving into this week here on the 25th. We've got a little bit of downside pressure here this evening as we move into the morning of the 26th. And then the green line is pretty much wrapped inside the 0 and -10 line until late on the 28th. And then we move down to the -20 line where we'll be riding that through all the action late Thursday and all day till the session closes at 1600 on Friday. So not a lot of trend pressure on the Astro Excel this week. Let's take a look at the blue line peaks, high and low peaks and valleys on the plus or minus 10 line. I drew the last few from last week. You can see how they do change the trend. I usually watch this on the 60-minute. Gives you a good idea of how the swings are going to go. You see we went from low to high here, from this low to high peak. Then we had a spike low here where we had a bottom. And today we had a spike high. And you can see how the energy changed from the Friday afternoon close to the Sunday night open. So we get these energy shifts on these blue line peaks. So what we have coming up for this week, I've marked all the important peaks. We've got one on the 26th here at 6:04. I did not mark this first one. This one is at 7 p.m. 1900 hours tonight. I didn't mark that just because I'm assuming the trading's going to be light and there won't be much activity there. But we've got this one, call it 6 a.m. on the 26th. Then we've got this 10 a.m. tomorrow morning on the 26th. We've got a spike peak here, just missed the 10 line right at 1700 as the market closes. On the 27th, we've got this spike low at 7 a.m. Next one is going to be in the evening at 2200. On the 27th, we've got the big wide spike bottom here on the 28th. This is going to be between, say, 11 and 12 a.m. Then we've got a sharp peak here at 2000, and then the last one of the week will be here on the 29th on Friday. Call it 9 a.m. This one's a little bit wider here too, but we'll call that a 9 a.m. pivot point. So those are generally good energy changes, as you can see if you've watched these videos and followed these blue line points. They do give you a lot of trend reversals. It's a reliable indication for these intraday, intra-week trend changes. So that's it for today. There's your look at the Astro Excel green line, blue line for the week of May 25th.